So, some of the steps which can help you to make money online with an Amazon affiliate site. One of the easiest and fastest way to create an additional stream of revenue from online sales is through an Amazon affiliate website. Although it's more than the exception to the rule, some affiliates even earn six-figure incomes. Realistically, if you're a full-time online business, you will monetize in several um, different ways, while the average person can earn a few hundred to maybe a couple $1,000s. Building your own site is low cost, requires very little effort, and in most cases only takes a day to set up. Launching an affiliate site, however, is just the first step. The challenge is attracting the right traffic that will turn into product sales once a customer clicks through Amazon. The best results, come from choosing the right niche. Don't do what everyone else does. Focus on these methods to increase your odds of success. First is learn basic HTML. HTML, learning HTML to create web pages and application is less complicated than it was 10 to 15 years ago. Website platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Weebly have simple templates that require only the push of a button to activate a website. But if you still need to know how to insert image, create hyperlinks, and format text. If you're unfamiliar with HTML and basic concepts for managing a website, carve out time to learn. It will be worth the outlay in the long run. Pick your niche. Pick your niche. Anything that's sold on Amazon, such as electronics, books, music, cosmetics, and kitchen appliances, can be part of your inventory, referred for a sales commission. However, low ticket items like books will yield only pennies on a sale because commissions range from 1% to 10%. Those who are more successful as affiliates pursue markets with a high volume of buyers or are engaged in selling high ticket items on Amazon. Selling products line with mass consumer demand that you enjoy or have some expertise in, but you need to make sure that the niche is narrow around enough to be distinctive. These niche could be bands from your city, left-handed guitarist, music for line dancing or salsa, books written by authors from a certain religion, or arts and craft resources such as bedding, knitting, beading, or poetry. Set up your web hosting. Amazon affiliates can pay next to nothing for a web hosting service. For example, Wix offers a free basic blogging service while web.com starts at $5.95 per monthly. Resources like Online Business Guide have a lot of affordable web hosting services. Some require a small monthly fee with unlimited domain names, which means you can run several sites for various needs on the same hosting package. Then choose your domain name. If you're launching a personal brand as an author, expert, or lecturer, building a following using your name as the domain is common, especially among YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram influencers. Another path is to give the website a name that reflects a niche, such as my best skin care products, my favorite accessories, or supplement for weightlifters. Make the name keyword rich, not clever. Think about what search words the average person might enter into the search engines to find your website. Make sure to check your name against other sites already in the market. Then you need to register your domain name. Registering domain names is not costly for one, two, or two sites, but it can add up to 10 to 10 niche sites. Save by choosing a lower cost provider such as SiteGround or GoDaddy. There's also one in one, also known as IONOS, where prices start on the low end of the spectrum. That is $1 for the first year with incremental increases for subsequent years depending on the plan. If you're not technically inclined, register the domain name with your hosting company. GoDaddy offers discounts like 12 months or basic managed WordPress for you know, per dollar one per month, after which the price increases to regular list price. Install WordPress. Content marketing is one of the best ways to drive traffic as well as buyers. WordPress, which has a free option, is easy to install and simplifies posting quickly. It's popular for publishing content such as blogs and articles. And you need to make it pretty. Although content is king, design is queen, and it's increasingly important among consumers who want to trust a credible website. One benefit of WordPress is its flexible design options. You can customize the site as much as you want with WordPress plugins. Set up categories. Attributing a category or subcategories to your article can help consumers find your website in a search engine. Most blog software, including WordPress, Wix, and Weebly, will have the function to assign an article to a category or subcategory that will help organize your entries. Sign up as an Amazon associate, then create your blog posting bookmarks and links. Create your Amazon, build a link, bookmark, and link. Build your first link, blog your review, build out your Amazon affiliate site, promote your Amazon affiliate site. So that's